So here now, Trinidad and Tobago has approximately 8 anole species, and to me one of the most prettiest is the wattsi anole. It is native to Eustatius, Nevis, Anguilla, and Antigua, but has been introduced into Trinidad. The first ever sighting of the wattsi anole in Trinidad was in 1992, around Waterloo, Caroni, around there. And you can only find them in Trinidad around those areas, like suburban areas, coastal areas, and agricultural land. Wattsi anoles usually lay 1 to 2 eggs, and the juveniles are born with reddish-brownish bodies with a whitish belly and a white line or light brown line on their back. But as male wattsi anole gets older, the white line fades, but females retain the white or light brown lines, like this female here. Even though males lack the white lines, they are rather colorful, having different fades of color all over their body and a slight blue color on their head, on a certain part of their head. They are relatively small lizards, but the male wattsi anole grows larger than the females. They spend most of their time on or close to the ground. Very few times you will see them staying on a tree. They will stay more closer to the ground, and they will feed on small insects. You can often find them with one male and several females around, sometimes in pairs and things. You don't really see males close to each other because they like to fight for territory like most other lizards. And because they stay close to the ground and only in a certain part of Trinidad, more so near human settlements, they are not considered invasive, but an introduced species that find their own place in nature and thing where they don't really disturb other species or don't heavily compete against other species. And they are not a host to certain bacteria or viruses that can kill our local species. So even though they introduce, they are not considered invasive. Plus, they become a food source to many of our local animals. So yeah, that is a plus and one of the reasons why they're not considered so invasive. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and follow. I'm the Wildlife Master, and I'm going, well, I wasn't in the bush for this one, but I'm going back in the bush anyway. So, until next time, peace out.